everyone, I'm Yasmin and I'm a creative designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to create a 3D flower using our paper sculpting kit. In this make I'll be showing you how to make two types of flowers, and I'll be using the Asian flower die, which is an essentials. So the first flower I'm going to do is the peach one, and this is going to be the smallest flower out of them. So I'll put 3 pieces of card on and then a piece of card on top of the inners. So in total you need 5 and then 2 of the small inner pieces. And then moving on to the bigger flower, I'm just going to use 3 pieces and then 3 for the little one, and then 1 for the inners. So moving forward, I'm going to show you how to create the inners. So these are just some inners that I have. So I've got white and some yellow mixed together. I'm just going to fold in half and then just layer them. And then using some washi tape and my scissors, I'm just going to wrap around carefully to secure. So I've made 1 big one and 1 small one for each side of my flowers. With my cream flower, I really want to give it some definition, so I'm just going to ink the edges around, and I'm using antique linen. So with a sponge, I'm just going to dab and then carefully on the edges just go around. So from the paper sculpting kit, I'll need my foam pad, my sculpting tools, and the sharp edge tool. So I'm going to start with the smaller flower, and then using the smaller ball point. And then all you have to do is just apply pressure onto the flower, and just keep manipulating the paper. Going around, and then sometimes I like to just flip the paper over and then go over it again. And I'm going to do this for each piece. So just working on a circular motion, going around the edges. And then for the even smaller cut out pieces, I'm just going to use the smaller ball point. So again, just doing the same as what I did for the others, just working around it. So for the bigger elements, I'm just going to use the bigger ball point. And again, doing the same as what I have for the others, I'm just going to work around. For the leaves, I just like to work it slightly, just around the edges. And then I actually just fold in half and then apply some pressure. So I've not folded it all the way, just a slight bit so you can see a crease. And then just working down the stalk bit. So now that I've sculpted all my elements, so the 3D, I'm going to work on putting the centres in the middle. So for this, all I have to do is start off with my centerpieces, and then using the sharp tool, I'm just going to poke a hole in the centre. And then I'm just going to thread my centerpieces through. Taking my Sizzix glue gun, for each part I'm just going to glue to secure. And then just push up. And then glue again. When you're adding your elements on, just make sure they're all alternative. This will just give like a really full effect to your flower. Now that you've glued them all together, you can manipulate the paper a bit just by scrunching the flowers. This will just help hold the 3D shape. And even going back with your tool, you can just go back over and just make it a bit more 3D. Then for the final touch, I'm just going to glue the leaf on, so I'm going to add some more glue. And just carefully glue down. To finish off my flowers, I'm just going to cut off any pieces that I don't really want on. So as you can see, this bit here just looks a bit messy, so I'm just going to use my scissors and snip. And there you have it, 3D paper flowers using our paper sculpting kit. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and I hope you got some inspiration from it on how to create a 3D flower using our paper sculpting kit. If you visit our website, you'll find some more ideas and more inspiration.